In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create YouTube thumbnail using Canva AI. So start by heading over to Canva AI, then next press Design, then select Social Media, and for the category, choose YouTube thumbnail. And here you can start entering your prompt like this, but you can also be more specific and detailed about the thumbnail you want to generate. The next is press the submit button and let Canva AI generate the thumbnail for you. Next is customize your template and make sure you add a strong headline. Just keep it short and powerful, like "You won't believe this" or "Secret revealed" or "Top 10 shocking moments," depending on your YouTube video. You can also change the photo and other elements inside the thumbnail design. Make sure to make your thumbnail pop by using big fonts, bright colors, and clear focal points to grab attention. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!